Hello children, very good morning to you all. Take page number 1. Today we have mathematics class. So take your max reader book. Page number 1, lesson number 1, spatial understanding. After studying this unit, you can use the vocabulary of spatial relationship such as top, bottom, on, under, inside, outside, above, below, near, far, before, after. So what do you mean by this, children? These are the spatial relationship. That means how we have to use the words. After studying from this lesson, you will be knowing well. Okay, now let's see one by one. Top, bottom. So Anant is painting at the top of the building. Where is Anant painting? Anant is the man painting top of the building. Bird is sitting at the top of the tree. Where is the bird sitting? Bird is sitting at the top of the tree. Monkey is sitting at the top of the pillar. Where is the monkey sitting? Monkey is sitting at the top of the pillar. This is the top. Okay. Fire is touching the bottom of the pot. Where is the fire touching? Fire is touching at the bottom of the pot. Milk is at the bottom of the glass. Where is the milk in the glass, children? In the top or bottom? Milk is at the bottom of the glass. Hole is at the bottom of the pot. Where is the hole? Hole is at the bottom of the pot. Flower is at the top. This is the plant. So the flower is at the top. Pot is at the bottom. This is the pot. Pot is at the bottom. Flower is at the top and pot is at the bottom. Take right the pot at the bottom. So where does you tick right, children? Here or here? Which is the bottom? Which pot is at the bottom? This one? No. This is at the bottom. The pot at the bottom. Tick right the sack at the top. So tick right the sack at the top. This is the top. Tick right the disc at the bottom. So where you have to tick right? Put the right mark here at the bottom. This is the top and this is the bottom. Color the apple at the top. You have to color the apple at the top. Okay. On, under. Television is on the table. Where is the television? Television is on the table. Mat is on the floor. See, this is the floor and this is the mat. So, mat is on the floor. Photograph is on the wall. This is the wall and this is a photograph. So, photograph is on the wall. Dog is under the table. See, this is the dog and this is the table. So, dog is sitting under the table. See here, children. Even here the table is there. Television is on the table. Okay. And but dog is under the table. Okay, children. Now, cat is under the cage. Cat is under the cage. This is the cage and cat is sitting under the cage. River is flowing under the bridge. This is the river and this is the bridge. So, river is flowing under the bridge. Tick right mark the vase on the table. So, here there are 3 vases So which one is on the table? You have to tick right. This is on the table. Put right mark here. Now tick right the boy sitting on the bench. The one boy is sitting down and another boy is sitting on the bench. So which boy you have to take? Take the right. The boy sitting on the bench. Put the right mark here. Color the lamps under the staircase. Color the lamps under the staircase. Here or here. You have to color under. This is on. And this is under. Okay. Under the stairs. You have to tick right here. Color the lamps under the staircase. Tick right the cat under the cot. So you have to tick right the under the cot. This cat. Okay. One cat is on the cot and another cat is under the cot. Inside, outside. Fruits are inside the basket. Leaves are outside the basket. See here children, fruits is there. So fruits are inside the basket and leaves are outside the baskets. Mother is inside the house. Where is the mother? Mother is sitting inside the house. Father is outside the house. Father is outside the house. He is watering the plants. Next, chickens are inside the basket. See here children, chickens are inside the baskets. Take right mark the dog inside the kennel. So you have to take right mark here inside the kennel. Tick right the flower pot inside the house. Here there are 3 flower pots. You have to put tick right for the inside the house. So have to put here right mark for the inside the house. This flower pot is inside the house. Tick right the fruits inside the basket. So see here children, you have to put right mark for the inside the basket. These fruits are inside the basket. Take right the children outside the cart. So here children are sitting inside the cart and they are standing outside. So you have to put right mark for the outside the cart. Okay children, read the lesson well.